Good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, my grocery shopping day, and we have a stalker. She loves sitting on the bed. That's the girl's bedroom, and she can just sit on the bed and stare out the front window. Yeah. Anyways, so today is Friday, my grocery shopping day. So we are headed out to do a weekly haul, and it's going to be pretty minimal today. I am going to go to Fred Meyer and to Safeway to pick up what is on sale. The main thing at Fred Meyer is butter is on sale, I think for $2.49 a pound. So I usually try to stock up when it's a good sale like that. So that is on my list, but then I also have some coupons. They always like to send a little bundle of coupons every once in a while, and I need to look through those again and see what's a good deal. I also got some coupons from them that were like $10 off a $50 purchase, a couple things like that. So I need to look at the dates on those and see if it's worth it to, spend up to that whatever amount. So going to do that at Fred Meyer. Then Safeway, they have a lot of produce deals. So I am going to do that. They don't have one of the, $5 off or $10 off a certain purchase this week. So just picking up the deals. I think peppers, avocados, a few things like that are on sale. So picking up that. So it's going to be mostly produce and butter, maybe a little bit of cheese because I think there was some on sale. And then we are just going to go pick up milk, our weekly milk pickup from the farm, and that is it. If you're not one of my regular viewers, I'll just real quick say we get a lot of meat in bulk. We will get a half a cow or a full cow, once or twice a year, and our freezer is real stocked up with all kinds of beef. Also, I buy pork and chicken when it's on sale, and we are very stocked up on that. We have a little freezer that's like the pork chicken freezer, and we have a gigantic freezer that's the beef freezer because we do eat more beef than anything else. So anyways, we are really stocked up on meat, so you won't be seeing a lot of meat in my weekly grocery hauls. We will get like some processed meats like sausage and bacon and things like that. Usually when I do my Costco haul once a month, unless there's a really good deal, a weekly deal at one of the stores, I just don't tend to buy much meat on these weekly hauls. But that does not mean that we don't eat meat. It just means that we buy it in bulk at different times. Also, I'll turn my camera around and show you here. We have about 50 free-range chickens, and then we have some chicks and pullets that are working on growing up to be egg layers for us. So you will also not see eggs in my weekly grocery haul, and that is because we have chickens that lay them for us. And so we really, the feed that we feed the chickens and the chicken upkeep, that really is part of the grocery budget. You don't see that in the weekly hauls, but it does cost a lot to have chickens that lay eggs for you. The eggs are not free. So anyways, you won't see eggs in the weekly haul, but we do also eat a lot of eggs because 50 chickens, lots of eggs. There is a little overview for those that might be new. So we are headed out here in just a second, but before we do, I want to thank the sponsor of today's video, and that is Element. Element is an electrolyte supplement. I have been using it for so long now. Making sure that I am topped off with my electrolytes is super important for me to feel my best. I spent a lot of years being chronically dehydrated without really knowing it. And when I started adding in electrolytes into my life, it really made a huge difference. The number one thing that I always mention is that it helped me to sleep through the night. Before, I would have to get up multiple times at night, and I think that's just because my kidneys were not functioning optimally. And once I gave the support that they needed through electrolyte supplementation, I am way more easily able to sleep throughout the night. And I love that Element offers a variety of delicious ways to get electrolytes in. There are the fruity, refreshing flavors, but then also at this time of year, they have some chocolatey, warm flavors. The chocolate medley pack is available again. It is back for the winter. You can see there's 3 flavors: the chocolate mint, the chocolate chai, and chocolate raspberry. So this is available for purchase now. And also, if you want to get a free sample pack of all of their regular flavors, you can get that for free just by using my link, drinkelement.com/indigo, DRINKLMNT.com/indigo. Go to their website using that link. put anything in your cart, including the chocolate medley, and you will automatically get that free sample pack added. So if you want to try all of these flavors and then you want to get the sample pack to try all of the regular flavors, you can totally do that. Thanks again to Element for sponsoring the video today. And now we're gonna go shopping. We are headed into Fred Meyer. I have Renee as my helper today. For our coupons, we have $10 off a $50 or more purchase. That's pretty good. This one was also really good. $5 off a $10 produce department purchase. So we're definitely going to do that. And then got to go through these. We got a free sliced cheese. Oh, we can get one of the peanut butters Renee loves. $1.25 off of your peanut butter. Ooh, $1 off of apples. We got to do that.
Are those Honey Crisp?
We have to see what they have. It's any of the organic bags of apples. Oh, we got $1 off of the Hue chocolate. $1 off of the endangered species. $2 off of the Zevia. $2 off native organics. $1.50 on pepperoni. 75 cents on chicken. All right, we'll see what we can find here. See what's really a good deal. Let's see, the Honey Crisp, they're on sale. As long as, yeah, they're the same amount. That's fine, we can get those.
They're on sale though.
They're on sale and there's $1 off.
Okay.
Yeah, get some green ones. Uh-oh. No, those are a little bit too ripe. Okay. That should hold Levi for about 2 days. These are an okay price, 20 ounces for $6.17. So I might get a few of those, maybe 3. It's not such an incredible deal that I have to, buy all of them on the shelf, but we're low on bacon, so that's a pretty good deal. Butter, $2.49, as long as you buy 3 or more. That's easy to do. All right, Renee, this is the one. You like creamy or crunchy?
Creamy.
That's what I thought. I have never seen this flavor before. That looks new. This one's a fall flavor, but we've had it other years. But I've never seen the pomegranate one. I don't care for the spiced apple one. I'd rather just have something warm with spiced apple. Okay, I think we got everything we needed. I think we're easily above $50 to get our $10 off. So that's good. Next stop is Safeway. Got our peppers and avocados waiting for us. Oh wow, that's pretty. Nothing on the reduced rack that we desperately need. Crunchy poppers. Pop-Tart crunchy poppers.
What?
Is that what we need? Oh, look at this. Cinnamon Toast Crunch Creamy Cinnamon Spread. First ingredient, brown sugar. Second ingredient, canola oil. Wow. Just wow. We're gonna get apples here too. Just want to make sure they look good. Those look pretty good. We'll get some Fuji. These ones are only $2.99, so that's a good deal. The the Honey Crisp ones are more, which is pretty normal. But that looks pretty good. Okay, I think we got everything we needed, and we're headed out. We are back from the store, so I have my Safeway stuff over here and my Fred Meyer stuff over here, and then down here I have my milk. Normally we get 3 full gallons a week, but she said she was a little short this week because a couple of the mama cows are about to have babies, and so she said really soon we'll be overflowing with milk again, but we were a little short this week, so we just got 2.5 gallons. Okay, we will do the Fred Meyer haul first because that's what we got first. Got a whole bunch of bananas that will last us maybe a few days. This was for Renee. She loves this tea in the evening. Actually, Charity has been using it too. They love it. They say it makes them feel relaxed and they love the flavor. So she had been out for a little while, and I picked up a box for her. I got a couple lettuces that were reduced. I really like butter lettuce. That's my favorite. And I actually had a coupon for $1 off of one of these as well. So this ended up being 72 cents, and it didn't look too terribly bad. We'll just, have salad for dinner tonight. And then this one, same, it looked pretty good. It's the butter lettuce, and it was $2.72 for this giant thing of it. So I'm just gonna have to put in some effort to make sure it gets eaten before it goes bad. We've just got a couple days on that. I wanted some hummus, and it's hard to find hummus without seed oils. And so there's a couple of brands that they have there that have no seed oils. They don't even have olive oil. And so I decided to get a couple of those for me. This is lemon hummus, King Harvest brand. I think that's a local brand here. And then Traza Foods. This is another one. It doesn't even have olive oil. It's just the garbanzo beans, tahini, etc. And this one is the cilantro jalapeno, which looked pretty good. So I decided to try those. This bacon was reduced. It was 20 ounces, so a little over a pound for $6.17, which was pretty good. So I got 3 of those. I got 12 pounds of butter for $2.49 a pound. That was really good. So gonna throw that into the freezer. I got 1 bag of Honeycrisp apples, which has already been pilfered, which is why it looks so empty. And then we got a thing of creamy organic peanut butter. We had the coupon for that. We had the coupon for the free sliced cheese, so we got this for free. I had the coupon for $1 off in an endangered species chocolate, so I got the Forest Mint plus dark chocolate. And then we got a 10-pound bag of russet potatoes. I love it when there's so many reduced things on the receipt. So these were all of the butters where it was $2 off each if you bought 3 or more. And then I got the $5 off of the $10 produce purchase. I got $10 off the $50 purchase. I had a bottle return here in Oregon. We get a deposit back on bottles, so that doesn't really count as, because I'm just getting reimbursed for something I already paid, but that $9.60 came off as well. After that, the total that I spent was $67.93 at Fred Meyer, and there's a little view of the receipt if you wanted to check any of the prices. Then over here is my Safeway stuff. We needed more apples than just that 1 bag, and they were actually cheaper at Safeway, $2.99 for the bag. Except, the Honeycrisp weren't as cheap. So it was good to get the Honeycrisp at Fred Meyer, and then the Fuji apples at Safeway. I got 3 bags of those. I've been loving these little potato company potatoes. They're so yummy and cute and easy. So I got another bag of those. Those are also on sale this month at Safeway. So it was a pretty good price. I probably wouldn't normally buy them at the regular price, but since they're on sale, they're not bad. Then I got a bunch of cilantro and a bunch of green onion. I really need to do some food prep and get, a container of garnish prepped up in the fridge because that just makes so many things so much more yummy. And when it's all ready to go, it's so easy. The chocolate chips are on sale. There was a coupon for those, and the kids use these for baking and trail mixes and stuff. So I stocked up on those. I got 4 of the milk chocolate and 4 of the semi-sweet. I got 6 avocados. They were 79 cents a piece, so that was a pretty good deal. I also got 6 bell peppers, 2 of each color. Those were also 79 cents a piece. Cucumbers were 59 cents a piece, so I got 4 of those. So we got a lot of, munching raw veggies for the week. And then the cheese was on sale for $1.29 a piece, which is a really good deal for a pack of sliced cheese. So I got a variety. I got a Munster cheese, which they don't always have in stock. So grabbed one of those, got a mild cheddar, got a double cheddar, and a Colby Jack. Again, got a lot of coupon deals on here. That makes me happy. Actually, I think, let's see. It looks like, so the cilantro was in the ad for $1. I'm not sure why it says it's 99 cents and not on sale. That's weird. Maybe it's 99 cents regular price. Anyways, whatever. Pretty much everything was on sale. And then I got a $2 off rewards just from the points I had accumulated. And the total that I spent was $62.27. So I think this amount of food is pretty good for about $130. Things are just so expensive right now, but if you work hard to really shop the deals, shop the reduced stuff, you can still get, a fair amount of food for your money. If you just go in with a list and buy everything at regular price, I mean, it's going to be double this. I think they give you a little percentage here. Oh yeah, your savings. So at Safeway, my percentage savings were 36%. And then at Fred Meyer, it was even more. I saved 50/74, which was 42%. So if I had just bought everything at regular price, which I never do, it would have been, 42% more. So it pays to, take the time to shop the ads every week and just pick up what's on sale, stock up on things when you can, like the butter, like the chocolate chips, stuff like that, and, save a little money in the process. Thanks for going shopping with us today. We'll be back again next week for another weekly haul. I've been enjoying doing them weekly these days, so look for that, and we'll just see you again in the next video. What are you peeking about? I got you some bananas.
I know. I already ate the last one today.
You ate the last one that was here?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it's a good thing I got more.